flip-flops off, let's dive in. Welcome to today's video where we're making aubergine eggs on toast. So I have got size L large swimming trunks on for the first time. I'm so impressed, and my favourite one's from Lotto at Primark. Gonna stay floating here and enjoy my 20 minutes of vitamin D sunshine here in the pool. Remember why you're sunbathing. Get the water down. And cheers to our waitress today, Miss Anya over there. Doing our water aerobics here. This is inner and outer thigh work. Abdominal and quad work. Bringing out the snacks. It's Thursday evening and we're going for a little bike ride. The shop buying aubergine. 70p. I'm actually quite surprised at the price of these. Let's get the biggest one. The other thing I want as well today is courgette. So I think I'm just going to buy one loose one. We haven't got a barcode, so we're going to have to look this up. Let's type in courgette. Oh yeah! Right, the item is on the scale.
That's fair, isn't it?
Courgette, 52p just for that one courgette.
That's scams.
Oh, everyone's favourite, the aubergine. Mange 2, 20p. Beans, 10p. It's 10 p.m. at night, our garden lights have come on. We've just come back from our bike ride. And I've just got in the pool because it's so warm. Happy Friday! It's the Friday weigh-in. So let's get on, see if we've lost another pound. Can we make it 5 days in a row? Yes! We are 14.10, so that's another pound off overnight. This is an aubergine, and today we're going to make this turn like magic into bread for our eggs on toast healthy style. Here's Jody Bunting, and you join me on my journey to get to my goal weight of 13 stone 2. Let's get in the kitchen. First things first, I've washed the aubergine. I'm going to cut the end off. What we need to do now is to slice it to resemble toast. So think about some nice doorsteps. Oh, be careful with your knives. And here we have our 2 pieces of fake bread, and then these are 2 ends which I'll eat on the side. So then let's grab your olive oil, and you just want a tablespoon of olive oil in the pan. Waste, so I'm going to get this green bit off and actually cook the rest of it. Our toast is cooking. I've cracked my eggs ready, so as soon as that's done, obviously that's going to stay hot for a long time, but our eggs won't, so this is why we're cooking it in this way. With yet another avocado, but we're going to have a little bit more guacamole, but we're going to have smashed avocado with chili today. Yesterday was a bit too much. Turn these over. You can see the fat is being absorbed. added a touch more olive oil because it's really important that it does get crispy and brown, because that's the way it will feel like toast. Little side dish. I'm going to have a little bit of mange too. So a bit of olive oil. Oh, spilling them all. Throw all these in there. And again, just keep it really simple. That flavour, the olive oil with a little bit of salt is all you need. And it literally takes 30 seconds to cook or to warm up. That's it, done. This is going to be my little side dish. Add a little bit more salt on the top. Add some here. We're ready to go. Here we have it, our eggs on aubergine toast, served with a little bit of spicy guacamole and a side dish of our lovely greens, mange tout. The calories in this meal are mange tout 76, olive oil 358, chili flakes 1, avocado 213, eggs 140, aubergine 40, total for the meal 828, plus the pork rind of 455, total for the day 1283. Our macros for today: 14 grams of carbs, 79% of fat. Bingo! In 5 weeks I'm going to weigh 14 stone! Let's pretend we're at the hotel swimming pool.